Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to buy with PayPal. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store of course, and download the of course application, or go to paypal.com like this and you'll have the screen on web. Of course, after that you just need to go and log into your profile or register to PayPal if you already do not have an account. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, here we have a couple of options. We have the home screen, send, the wallet, activity, help. We have the send and request, and we have a lot of other options. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and buy with PayPal. So basically, how you can do it, first of all, you need to go and add a card or bank account. So what you need to do is click on add card or bank account. And here we'll have two options: link a credit card, so keep your card info secure when shopping, or link with the bank account, withdraw funds you receive to your bank account. So for this instance, for of course buying with PayPal, you'll need to go and link a credit card, and of course be secure when you're shopping. After that, when you link your credit card, you'll of course have it in, and you can then go and when you of course buy some stuff from the internet, you can just of course there on their checkout, choose the PayPal option, and that's basically how you can do it. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.